friends, I had some questions the other day about overhead spinning of the bow. It's hard enough to do the vertical way here, but to do it over your head, a lot of the students were having a challenge with this, so I thought I would make a short lesson on how to do it. There's more than one way, just so you know, but this is the typical way. If you look, I have my left hand palm back, and then I have my right hand palm forward. So you can see the grip is not motorcycle, it's opposite hands here. This allows the movement. While we're working on this, I want you to keep thinking about a helicopter rotor, okay? So once you think that, you'll get it. You'll get the propeller, okay? So here we are in this position. Do you see? It's like Jodan no Kamae. My hands are this position. Now what I want to do is push with my right hand over my head. I push with my right hand. Do you see this? See that? I push. Push. And then it ends up in the motorcycle grip. So I push, catch. Push, catch. From this position, push, catch. Then I pull with my left and re-catch it. Now my right palm is up, left palm is down. Do you see the pattern here? So it's push, catch, catch. Now my left hand, what I'll do is push, and I'll reverse the whole process. Push, catch, catch. So palm forward, palm back, motorcycle grip, palm forward, palm back on the opposite hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. How much of it is pushing of the hand? Like 90%. So my right hand here, my right hand, the push is what does it. It is not the left hand. The left hand is just a pivot point that kind of holds it in position. If you watch my left hand, all it does is turn. All it does is turn. The right hand propels it, catches, and turns. So it's a full turn of the staff, full turn. Catch, catch, catch. There's 3 catches in there. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 catches. Push, catch, catch. 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 See the motion here. So it's very, very fast. Very, very fast. At no point am I losing the staff. I'm not losing the grip with my fingers here. So that's an overhead footy. Now you add that to walking. So I'm here, I move, and I hit the opponent. So these end up strikes here, where I hit, bring it back, hit, bring it back, hit, bring it back, hit. It is endless how much fun this is. So you have your vertical twisting of the staff, bull footy, and then you have your horizontal twisting of the staff. All right? So that's a quick lesson on bull footy. Try it.